In this video, I will show you how you can fix if the Touch ID on your iPad is not working. Now, if the Touch ID is not working on your iPad, first of all, just perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. As you can see, the volume buttons are located at the top of your iPad. Now just press and release both of the buttons. Then press and hold the side button of your iPad until you see the Apple logo on the screen. And after you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Now after the force restart process is completed, then just enter your lock screen PIN to open your iPad, and after that, just check if the fingerprint is working or not. Now if the fingerprint is still not working on your iPad, then just use a soft cloth and clean the fingerprint area on your iPad, because oil and dirt can build up on the fingerprint sensor and it might not work properly. So make sure you clean the fingerprint sensor using a soft cloth, and also make sure that your hands are clean and they are not wet. After that, just go to settings, and under settings just scroll down and tap on Touch ID and passcode. Then enter your lock screen passcode. Over here under the fingerprint section, just make sure that you have registered your fingerprint, because sometimes you might not register your fingerprint and you think that the fingerprint has stopped working, but in fact that you have not registered your fingerprint yet. So make sure that you have registered your fingerprint. But if you have already registered your fingerprint, then just tap on the fingerprint which you have registered and select Delete Fingerprint. Now after you delete all the fingerprints which you have registered, then just tap on Add a Fingerprint, then just register your fingerprint again. Now after you register your fingerprint, then just tap on Continue and check if the fingerprint is working or not. Now if this method did not work, then just follow the next method. For that, just go back to Settings, but this time just tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on Software Update and check if you have any update available or not. If you have any update available, just tap on Update and update the software of your iPad, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. And after you update the software, then just go back to General and tap on Transfer or Reset iPad. Then just tap on Reset, and from this pop-up menu, just select Reset or Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN. Then just tap on Reset. And by doing that, you will not delete any data of your iPad. You will just reset all the settings of your iPad in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. And this is how you can fix if the Touch ID is not working on your iPad. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.